Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my like. Hey guys, Namaste. Welcome back to my channel. It's me Kim Kala, but you can call me Kim. So guys, if you are watching me for the first time or if you haven't subscribed my channel, then please go hit the subscribe button to see me more. So guys, by the title today you have already figured out what the video is all about. Yeah, same dialogue every time, but no worries because it's the fact and I need to speak the fact. So yeah guys, today I have tried to convert my sari into lehenga. So इसको inspiration से how I got is like I used to see so many like sari hacks, like clothing hacks, and then I saw this beautiful ladies converting their sari into lehenga with so much of ease, yeah, and I also try to do, but let me tell you, it's not easy at all. It's really difficult. So yes guys, but I managed to do it. But how does it turn out? It's up to you how you will see it. So you can comment down after seeing the whole video. I mean the whole video, don't skip in the middle, okay guys, please. So after watching the whole video you can comment down how it turned out. Do I look stunning, do I look beautiful, or do I not look so good? So you can comment down all this thing and I will appreciate your positive comment as well as negative comments, but please don't give the negative comments. So let's go, because you know I talk a lot. So okay, let's go to my first look. To create this whole black lehenga look, let's first secure ourselves with a black blouse and a black petticoat. Then we will take a black sari and start making a pleat. After you make one pleat, tuck it inside your petticoat and then start making a second pleat of same size and tuck it inside your petticoat, and so on. Continue the process all around your waist. The size of pleats should be similar so that it will give more defined look. Then the in part, the pallu, you can use it as a shawl and secure it. Then with some jewelries, earrings, bangles and necklace, you are all set to go out. So guys, how you find this look? So to tell you the truth, I find it little bit difficult to create this look because this sari ko border was so thick, and then like pleats बनाएर, I mean pleats or pleats बनाएर, like you need to tuck into your petticoat. It was quite little bit difficult because त्यो मुजाहरू पनि राम्रोसँग बनिरहेको थिएन. So I find it really difficult, but I think with the help of other person you can surely do it. I like the end result, how it turned out. So you can experiment with different kind of sari plus different kind of blouse, and it will give you more finish, more defined look if you give your 100% time on it, or if you have somebody to help you out with these pleats at backward, at front, and then yeah, so you can create a very beautiful elegant look with this style. So guys, now let's see my second look. To get this pink lehenga look, first of all let's secure ourselves with a blouse and a petticoat. Then take your beautiful floral sari and start making a pleat like before, and continue to tuck inside the petticoat all around your waist. After you have completed, then use some ornaments to give more finished and more defined look. This look was quite little bit easy because the sari was so smooth, very easy to make the pleats, muza बनाउनु चाहिँ सजिलो थियो, plus it was so lightweight. That's why I didn't find any problem with creating this style. Plus it's very simple style, so yeah, the way they do it very easily in the video, so it was easy for me as well. So you can experiment this with different kind of floral sari. Look like a princess. So yeah, I like this look also, but it is compared to first one, because first ko the border अलिकति thick थियो, it was so difficult, but compared to first one, this was way more easier. Is now the last and the final look. Let's go. So to get this traditional lehenga look, we will follow the similar process like we did on the first two sari to lehenga look, and the only difference is the remaining part of the sari we will start making a pleats through the border line, and then we will tuck it at the opposite part of our waist, and then we will add some jewelries, and we are all set to go out. Guys, यो चाहिँ मेरो last and final look थियो. How you find it? So for me, this look, creating this look was quite confusing at the last, because suruko part चाहिँ it was similar to the first two, but last चाहिँ it was quite different. And when I see that hag, they did it with so much ease, but when I tried, I get confused, like from where did Tagin, what about the border, and I was so confused, and I watched it twice, but they did it so fast that I couldn't figure out how they did it. So I get confused, but at the last, finally I did it. I literally did it. This with different kind of saris and different kind of blouse. For me, I don't really stitch blouse that much. That's why मसँग चाहिँ blouse को केही collection नै थिएन, and I did it with what I had. So you can try out with different kind of, like, you know, blouse. आजकल त त्यो, you know, like crop t-shirt type को blouse हरू पनि, like they have ready-made blouse in the market also. You can grab it and try creating in it as well. So girls, yeah, create this kind of beautiful looks this coming wedding seasons, and please comment down or send please post your photo and tag me on Instagram, so that I can also see like how you all looked in it. I know you will look pretty and beautiful and gorgeous in this kind of wears, but at least just give a try on it, because fashion is all about experimenting, and you need to experiment your clothes. Don't throw your clothes, don't make it just stay in the one corner of your wardrobe. Just take it out and experiment creating different kind of looks through it. So yes, this was all for today. If you like the video, please hit the like button, and if you want to see me more, please do subscribe my channel, and you can follow me also in Instagram. I will put the link on the description below. So yeah guys, keep loving me, keep supporting me. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my like, share my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.